have two geckos. Geckos, I learned it from Thailand. When you have geckos, you have no problems with bugs. Now we have three geckos. Look at that. That's perfect. A gecko is like a good cleaning woman, cleaning the walls and everything from the bugs. The Hilton Hotel in Thailand had this. Here's the other one, it's a little bit hidden. And they said, no, no, never enter a hotel. Four we have. That's great. This is absolutely great. When you have geckos, you don't have bugs. So, the Hilton guys told me, don't complain, be happy. Do we have no more geckos? No, they are mainly on this side. Probably there's more light. Four. One, two, three, four. Nice. Very good. Kleine baby geckos are also eating the bugs. Very good. Thanks, geckos.